Hello, today we are going to learn about a new concept called looping. Looping is used when there's a certain action or a bunch of actions that need repetition. For example, here we have a piece of code that will print 10 random integers between 1 and 100. So when I press this run button, you get the 10 random integers that were picked. Now we will do the same program using the concept of looping. For this, we will go to the loop section and get the repeat block from there. We will then join the repeat block with the when run block and pick up one of these print blocks and put it inside the repeat block in front of the do section. When you now run your code, what happens is the repeat block will repeat this action 10 times. Why 10 times? Because that's the number of repetitions that is specified over here. You can repeat any number of times. You can change this number to 25 and that will give you 25 random integers. But for now, we will let this stay at 10. So I run my code, and as you can see, those are the 10 new random integers that were printed using the concept of looping. And you can also see, compared to what we had before, this is much fewer lines of code, this is much fewer blocks that we require to use. As an exercise, I want you guys to try and make a program that will print numbers from 1 to 20 with either odd or even beside each number, depending on what the number is. Thank you for watching and stay tuned in for the next video.